Hey guys, I'm in Dollar Tree. These are all up here. What's this? Cranberry ginger ale. A&W. That root beer. All of the St. Patty's Day is rocking. We saw this, right? Yeah. Kiss Me, I'm Irish. Yes, on that. And this says Happy St. Patty's Day or Happy St. Patrick's Day. All of that going on. Oh, these are different. These are up front too. These are nice and thick. It's one. Get out of here. And then the pie holders to match. That's a different pattern I haven't seen. It was like an influx of these bags. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, here are the bigger ones. We saw, oh yeah, here they go. I was going to say we saw the smaller ones, but here are the slightly bigger ones. Be Mine, the hearts, right? Just got to go to 3. Be My Valentine with all the flowers. All those roses rocking. And Filled with Love. That's pretty. Doesn't that look pretty up against that black? Oh, nice. Okay, it was only one Nomi in the last video. Oh my goodness, and it was this one. So they have all of them. Look at her with the hair. Oh, these are cute. Nice and simple, right? The black and white. Oh, it came right off in my hand. That probably means I need it in the cart. So we picked up the cassette tape. Ow! That's what else I saw in Florida too. Right? Something with a cassette tape or something. I had to put all this stuff back. I'm so still pissed off about that. So yeah. All right, let me keep it moving. Oh, here are the glasses. I grabbed these and the pink ones, the light pink. Miss Girl, I do not see these glass bears. That mason jar, I don't see them. Darn it. Oh, here's Mickey and Minnie. Is that Mickey? Oh, okay. Yeah, she's on the back. And then these right here. Oh, this one is cute. Valentine Forever. Loads of love. Sweets from My Sweet is rocking. Okay. Oh, I remember these. The black and the white vase with the key. Oh, this is the lock. Here's the one with the key. Oh, that's funny. So we should get the lock in one color and the key in the other. Yes. This is my favorite sign, this welcome sign. I use it every year. Miss Girl, all of this spring stuff is rocking. The seed starter pots and everything. These are up here. Oh my goodness. All of this. Oh, these are pretty. Isn't that pretty? The sunflower with the bees on there. The purple. Let me see the white. Oh yeah, that's pretty too. Ah, Dios mío. Oh my goodness. So the Easter is rocking. Just the baskets, some eggs, right? All the stuff we're used to seeing. The bunny butts. Yes. I love these signs. They're so nice and simple. Just perfect for like that tiny space, right? They're not new. I love them. I'm in the Crafter Square. I'm telling you, I wish I had this in me, like that whole DIY situation, right? I would be crazy in this aisle. Look at all of this stuff. All of this paint and things. Oh, I don't remember seeing this paint. The Crayola washable paint. Look at all those colors rocking. That's like a Crayola box. Oh my goodness. Oh, tacky glue. That's rocking. I don't remember seeing the packaging. That's what it is. Clay craft tools, beads and things. Yeah, this is what I'm used to seeing. Oh, nice. They're here too. I did pick these up already. Oh, these hearts are here. Hang that right on up. Look at the scalp massager and the heart. Oh, that's cute. The wooden sphere is here. Is that on a roll or is it flat? No, it's just a ball. I thought, you know how it's flat where you would sit it down, but no. So that one, this color right here, that's pretty. And like the gray. Yes. So these are vases, right? After I left the store the last time, I'm like, no, they can't be mugs. This is too thick up here, I feel like. Oh my goodness. Oh, here's that shampoo. The last time I just saw the conditioner. Oh yeah, here it is. So they have them both. Headquarters. The packaging is fire. I did pick up a ton of these in the last Dollar Tree. It's like the Vicks, that vapor inhaler. Love this. Oh, what's this? Let me bring it down. A chill strip. Relief from fever discomfort. 3 counts, ready to use, peel and stick, 8 hours of relief. I've never seen this before. So that's rocking. Beauty Intuition, Red Velvet, Scented Lip Balm, hydrating and moisturizing. I haven't seen this. Oh, the Dunkaroos, Rainbow and Marshmallow Sugar Cookie Mix. Sydney would like that. This is a thick packaging here. It's usually not rocking like that. Wow. Okay. Here are those storage containers and things, right? I use this for my first aid, right? For vacation. But, oh yeah, the soup mugs. I feel like I didn't see that the last time. And even this has these colors, like all these colors rocking. The little storage containers. So, yeah. So remember the saucy lips? I think I want to grab the fajita one now. Yes. In the cart. Okay. So those vases, these are the mugs that it was reminding me of. Like, I feel like I had seen them before. I know I didn't, but yeah, okay, they're definitely not mugs. Oh, this is for the closet. The 4-grit plastic rotating hook. Throw some things on there, right? Some belts and things. I see white and gray. I feel like I've seen these in the past, but if I have, it's definitely been a minute. All right, this is all I'm rocking. The saucy lips. I did put the chill strips in there, the socks, and I threw some white rice in there. I cannot find those bears. Oh my goodness. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. I think I'm all good with the Valentine's Day stuff. Yeah. Oh, look at the chair covers. I don't think I've ever seen these before. That is cute. Look. That is funny with the envelope and the heart sealing. Yes. You better stop it on that. Hey, sugar. It should have said sugar, right? With no R. Yes on that. Yes on all the shenanigans over here. I think we saw everything, I feel like. Oh, look at these hearts. These are pretty. I like these. All 3 of them, actually. Let me decide. I'm feeling all 3, but I think I'm just going to grab this one in the cart. Oh, it's more on the other side. I did one too. I'm going to grab another one in the cart. Okay, I think we saw most of these. I don't remember this one with the brown at the top, I feel like. And here's the one with the tan. I feel like I remember gray. But yeah, these are new. I did grab one of each of these, although I only see the one design right here. The hearts, right? The long tray leaf, all of these. We saw those. Oh, get out of here. We saw these, but not in this color right here. That's kind of fire. In the cart. Oh, look at these. I'm in the hair section. These are like area rugs that they cut into squares or something. All of these different designs. Get out of here. Look at this one. That's nice and neutral. Yeah, it's a ton of different ones in here. Wow. I'm going to grab a couple of these Arm & Hammer Essentials, that liquid hand soap. Lavender Vanilla. I'm going to grab that one. Fresh Rainwater. Yeah, and Warm Vanilla Bean. Did you hear what I just said? I put the B in I said Warm Vanilla Bean. Oh my goodness. In the cart. Oh nice, more Freeman I haven't seen. I feel like I've seen all the tubes, right? This is a soothing scrub mask. Is that what this is? A nourishing cream mask. Free of all the things, right? Parabens and all of that, I feel like. Oh, this is pumpkin. What's over here? Pineapple. It says for evening out your skin tone. Yeah, and this one says for brightening. So, yes on those two. How cute are these socks in the box? That is funny. Sugar Daddy. It's a lot of sugar going around, right? Sugar Daddy, Junior Mints, and Double Bubble is up here. I wonder if these are $1.25 because it's some mixed in that says like 3. I want to see. That is cute. Wait. In the cart. Look what was underneath the Sugar Daddy. Dots. That is funny. Am I missing any more? No. Okay. That is cute. Yes, on the ankles, the Doritos, the Kool-Aid, the Pringles. the Cheetos, the Mountain Dew. I forgot which ones we saw now. Hawaiian punches back there, they're all cute. I'm feeling the ankles. Yes, I am so hoarse. 1, 2. These shower vapor tabs are fire. I already used twice. What is wrong with me? I can't even talk. I already used twice. I need to get home. I've already used it twice, right? They're so good, so good. That vapor is so strong. I love them. Nothing new in the makeup over here. You better stop it on the Count Chocula with Frightful Friends marshmallows. Girl, it's Halloween. When does this expire? Oh, it doesn't expire until June. Yes, on that. That's probably good. It's the family size. I just wanted to check out the plush section real quick. Oh, look at these. The table runners for $3. Oh, I don't remember seeing this. That's nice. You know, simple, right? It comes in red and pink. Miss Girl, I'm lying. That's red, pink, and white. That's pretty. So that's rocking. The trays I saw when I was in Florida, I think these are 5. Be Mine, Love Lives Here, and the Love. The tiered trays, I feel like it's white, pink, and red. So they're all rocking for $5. All right, let me see what's rocking. The socks in here, right? I think they're $125, I feel like. I'm going to say the hearts, these are so pretty. I think I'm going to grab that last one. I feel like not right because I don't have the odd number. I think I'm going to go back and get the other one. Oh, I threw this Excedrin in here. I don't have a migraine right now. It's gone. It lasted 3 days. And I grabbed the vanilla bean. Miss Girl. Oh my goodness, I'm tired. I'm hoarse. I'm hungry. It's a whole thing. So I grabbed three of the balls, right? Yeah, let me go get the other heart. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh, wait, I'm passing the glasses. Remember the folding ones that I grabbed for Disney? Sydney rocked these things every single day. She broke the red ones like day one. I was like, darn it, here we go, right? Cheap. She wore these like the whole rest of the week. The white ones, and I had these. And I've rocked mine all week. They're fire. I do like them, so yes on that. All right, I got it in the cart. All right, bye.